Dear professional colleagues, this is my second communication with you all. First of all, a happy Gujarat Day and a happy Maharashtra Day. These two states have continuously contributed to the greater good of our nation, and we are proud to be part of them as the first largest branch in the western region and the second largest branch in India. As we welcome the month of May, where the summer sun boils down and temperature soars, the activities at Ahmedabad branch continue with a roar. April 23 was an enriching month as we conducted a number of programs for professional development. Let's have a glimpse of the past activities at Ahmedabad branch. National Conference on Capital Market. An excellent, informative, engaging and impactful 2 days conference wherein the sessions were designed very innovatively and very thought-provoking. Second is the Valuation Study Group. A dedicated study group with more than 100 members registration was created to provide a forum for members to share their knowledge and experiences in valuation, to learn from one another and to stay updated on the latest trends and best practices. We also created a dedicated IBC Study Group to create a forum for discussing recent developments, emerging trends and the best practices in the insolvency and bankruptcy field. Members registration crossed more than 80 and the first program was conducted with CA Dr. Mamta Benani, the past president of ICSI, and Advocate Nipun Sanghvi, wherein the latest judgments and amendments in IBC was covered. We also launched I Am a Fit CA program where we emphasize on health is wealth, and under these programs, members shall be benefited from various health-related activities and events. With diversity of our role moving from compliance to advisory roles, Ahmedabad branch has also been keen to explore newer areas of practice. Like we had a one-day seminar on peer review training for those members who wish to empanel as a peer reviewer. Social Stock Exchange, a platform that aims to connect social impact driven organizations such as non-profit and social enterprises, where we chartered accountants can perform in these areas like due diligence, compliance and advisory services. Chartered accountants play a crucial role in establishing and reporting to sustainability metrics. With BRSR mandatory for top 1000 listed companies in India, members should be aware of ESG perspectives, and hence a session on sustainability reporting was also organized. Audit trail requirement from this fiscal year is expected to significantly enhance the authority's ability to take a closer look at changes to the records that materially impact financial statements, while allowing businesses to make genuine corrections where needed. We organized a seminar on audit trail explaining the guidance notes of ICAI and amendments, and most importantly, the execution and implication of such amendments practically. In order to see that the ICI career counseling reach every nook and corner of the cities, towns and villages, wherever schools and colleges are spread, so that proper information and career guidance to each student from class 9 to graduation is imparted, Ahmedabad branch along with other branches Anand, Vadodara, Gandhidham organized a half-day faculty development program for M-panel counselors and prospective counselors. Lastly, we also had a one-day valuation seminar with the Valuation Standard Board of ICI, where a very unique program were organized with a panel discussion with the startup founders and valuers to discuss issues in valuation, along with discussion and case studies on valuation of intangibles, mergers and acquisition, and most importantly, understanding the various regulatory requirements for the valuation under Income Tax, FEMA and Companies Act were also discussed. I would also like to share the upcoming programs of Ahmedabad branch. We have organized an RRC in Varanasi next month, which is fully registered. For the first time ever, all ICI Gujarat branches RRC is organized at Sashangir from 9th to 11th June 2003, where we are proud that the President from ICI will be inaugurating this first ever ICI all Gujarat 13 branches. I request all the members to register at the earliest since we have a limited seats. We also would be organizing Excel series, IBC session. A national conference on MSME, which is the backbone of our country, is being organized on 13th May. We'll continue with the sessions on GST, income tax. We also have a very good virtual refresher series for the women and young members with the 13 branches of India. We are also starting with the post-qualification course of FAFD starting from the June 2023. Lastly, I would say very new initiatives are being planned at Ahmedabad branch. Follow us on our all social media handles along with our 75 pages newsletter published every month. Once again, thank you. Jai ICI, Jai Hind.